Hi, Assalamualaikum, Madam. I am Putra Shazlan bin Zahari. So now I'm going to present my first assignment, the story. The architects that I'm doing research is John Novell. So about John Novell, he is a French architect. He was born in Fromelles, France in 12 August 1945. Novell studied at the École des Beaux-Arts in Paris and was a founding member of MAS in 1976 and Syndicate de Architecture. His works have gained worldwide recognition through numerous prestigious and international prizes and rewards. He has achieved a number of prestigious distinctions over the course of his career, including the Aga Khan Award for Architecture, the Wolf Prize in Arts in 2005, and the Pritzker Prize in 2008. A number of museums and architectural centers have presented retrospective of his work. In 1989, the Arab World Institute in Paris was awarded the Aga Khan Prize because of its role as a successful bridge between French and Arab cultures. So this is the project's timeline of his works. Basically, this is some of the top works from him. So we go to the first building. Arab World Institute is an organization founded in Paris in 1980 by 18 Arab countries with France to research and disseminate information about the Arab world and its cultural and spiritual values. So the Arab is the concept of Arab architecture and also Islamic architecture for this building and come up with this design. The Arab World Institute is a play on geometry and light. So this is the facade of the buildings. We go to next tower, next project. Torre Glory, formerly known as Torre Agba, is a 38-story skyscraper located in Barcelona. The tower is 144.44 meter high with a diameter of 39 meter. Agba Tower is intended to recall the shape of Kaiser rising into the air. It was inspired by a Montserrat, a mountain near Barcelona. Its design combined a number of different architectural concepts, resulting in a striking structure built with reinforced concrete, covered with a facade of glass and over 4,500 window openings cut out of the structural concrete. So next is Guthrie Theatre. Guthrie Theatre is founded on 1963. It is a center for theatre performance, production, education, and professional training. For the building's exterior was inspired by the surrounding landscape, dominated by the presence of the Mississippi River, to which Novell has launched a cantilever bridge named the Endless Bridge. The exterior is a composition of metal and glass that evokes industrial forms adapted to modern times. So this is some of the building highlights. So next building is Doha Tower. Doha Tower, also known as Burj Doha, is an iconic high-rise tower located in West Bay, Doha, Qatar. It has a height of 238 meters with 46 stories. Doha Tower is mainly used as an office building. There is also a restaurant above the office floors. The top floor is occupied by a private luxury residence, which is located within the dome of the tower. So this is the interior space inside the building, and this is the facade. For the facade of the tower comprised of two layers. The inner layer is a traditional curtain wall, while the outer layer is a intricately patterned stainless steel screen. The facade screen is a reference to the ancient Islamic design. On the screen, a single geometric motif of different scales are overlaid along the facade. The screen is designed to shade the building from the sun, reducing the temperature inside the building from the sun. So we go to the next. The last work is National Museum of Qatar. This building is a national museum located in Doha. Jean Nouvel got his inspiration from the desert rose crystal, which can be found in Qatar for this building. This 40,000 meter square museum is made up of interlocking discs that create cavities to protect visitors from desert heat. So the skin of the building is made up of high performance glass fiber reinforced concrete that possess some sand color inside and outside of the building. This is the desert image of the desert rose crystal, and this two photo is uh, photo shown. These two photo is the interior space and the explanation of the disc that is arranged, how the disc is arranged inside the interior space. So so the overall conclusion, uh, Jean Nouvel will do research what will be the most emotional, the most perfect, the most natural aspect before he design a building. The purpose of all the thinking is to achieve a result that makes good sense. Jean Nouvel is really a creative in designing a building that built with his imagination and concept. All of his design are mostly unique and amazing. So that's all from me. Thank you.